past few months now, the nation's top military, intelligence, and law enforcement officials have been warning Congress and the country about a coming cyber attack.
Another weapon added to the arsenal in cyber warfare.
We have entered into a new phase of conflict in which we use a cyber weapon to create physical destruction.
A battle is waging across the internet.
140 cyber attacks on U.S. companies.
30 million lines of code written. So it is almost by definition a preemptive weapon.
The U.S. has been engaged in a series of cyber attacks. China's military successfully hacked into Pentagon computers.
Electric infrastructure will be hacked and taken down.
Millions and millions of people were caught by surprise when the electrical grid suddenly crashed.
5 national cyber police forces are involved in this attack.
Chinese sleeper viruses on the electric grid.
Nuclear power plants will be hacked.
Hospitals are closed.
They completely knocked out the substation.
Major disruptions to the water supply.
Police in riot gear.
The report links China.
The Chinese are doing this. The Chinese government is doing this.
The U.S. considers it an act of war.
Well, the messages don't mess with us.
The biggest threat to cybersecurity right now is the United States government.